Sometimes it just get too much. It just get too much for me, man. My emotions build up, and look, hey,
Hey, bro, it's okay, man. Open up, bro. Open up.
Yeah, dude, we the bros, man. We here for you. Sometimes at night I just cry, bro. I just cry because it's too much, man. And I'm happy I got y'all with me so I could just open up to y'all. But this girl broke my heart. She broke my heart. My dog died. And I just stubbed my pinky toe, bro. And it hurt. It hurt. Dude crying because he stubbed his pinky toe.
Oh, bro, I know, man. He a little sissy, bro. He'll cry. He's stubbing pinky toe.
Oh, I got my heart broke. Oh, no. I'm gonna cry at night.
Let's shut up, bro. Grow some balls. Grow some balls. You a man, bro.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
I know. I always want to cry. Oh, my dog died.
Oh, no. I don't know what to do myself. I'ma just cry.
Let's stop being a punk, bro. Stop being a little sissy, man. What's wrong with you?
And that girl that broke your heart, she only did it because you ugly, bro. Like, where your woes at? Where your woes at? Oh, you ain't got none.
Ain't got none, bro.
Get out. What? What'd you say? Get out.
Oh. People always want to change up, bruh. Always want to change up, bruh. Like, come on. Whatever, bruh. That's what happened when you can't take no joke, man. That's why your girl ain't never gonna come back.